Hello, this is Gary Marr from Glendale Community College. This screencast is from my CIS133DA online class, spring 2018. Now, I've already recorded one video on the syllabus. What I wanted to do in this screen capture is talk a little bit about how I've organized Canvas to help us get through this class this spring. So what I've done is I'm in student mode. With student mode on my screen, it shows up with a magenta bar at the bottom, which I think is going to show up in the video. I typically have different screens than you guys do because I'm developing the course. The home page should be the same for you as it is for me. There's a list of things to start with, everything from resources that you can look at that I've created for you to tools and software in that might make the class easier. I would say go through that when you want. I could make some changes in it if I do make any changes on this material. I typically will throw out there as an announcement. I use announcements extensively when I have a message I want to send to the entire class. If you have a question specifically about a part of this Canvas or something you received back as feedback, please send me an email in Canvas. If not in Canvas, send it to me on my regular faculty email. I talked some about this in the syllabus video, which I created earlier. The syllabus is on Canvas. It's also something that I created earlier in video format. I would say watch that. Let me know if you have any questions. You'll spend a lot of time in modules. What I've done is I've laid out the modules by week, okay? Week 1 through week 16. In each module, you're going to have your any assessments, like in this case, a pre-assessment. You'll have my videos. You'll have PowerPoints. You'll have quizzes. You'll also have a weekly reflection. And in those reflections, you're going to tell me what you're working on and where your questions are. There'll be one of these for each week of the semester. I will be adding videos as we go. This particular Canvas has been developed. This is the first time with this book in these materials. I've taught this class several times in the past in several different online formats, but this is the first time in Canvas. It's kind of a rewrite. I'm trying to take advantage of some new things that are available with Canvas. So I might make some changes, and that's something which I've identified in the syllabus also. Your assignments are here, but your assignments, you're probably better off looking at the modules and or the calendar because that will give you a better idea of when they're due. Quizzes, same thing. I mean, the quizzes are spread out over the course of the class. They're identified with the modules. The modules are done each week, but they'll also be in the calendar. You can access your discussion questions from here, okay? You can look at your grades. You have pages. Now the pages right now have a front page, which is basically startup information, and also class resources, which I've identified in startup. And this is going to give you some different sites and some cheat sheet, study sheets that help you with HTML and CIS. Okay. The files will be much bigger than it is right now. Currently, there is PowerPoints in there. There's an assignment schedule. There are the answers to the true, false, multiple choice, concept review questions in the back of each chapter. These would be good study aid, for example, and prepping for some of the tests. That's pretty much it for Canvas and how we're going to use it in this class. I would just tell you that, again, it's going to change. I might add to it as the semester goes on based on questions I get. If I get a question from a couple of students that seem like it needs to have some supplement explanation above and beyond what I prepared already or the textbook, I might create a video or I might put some more files or pages out there. I will certainly let you know, and that will probably be known via the Canvas announcements. All right, so see you online. Thank you.